Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
In general, the insects have unique comfort temperature zones in which they tend to make their calls. For example, for cicada tibicina, the comfort temperature zone is 22 to 24 degrees Celsius. Suer and Sanborn, 2003.
Make your mark, take our lead.
When you get a swarm going at one time, it can be downright deafening. The high-pitched song is actually a mating call belted out by males. Each species has its own distinctive song that only attracts females of its own kind. This allows several different species to coexist.
Let's help you make your mark.
The cicada's claim to fame is its singing. The high-pitched song is actually a mating call belted out by males. Each species has its own distinctive song that only attracts females of its own kind. Cicadas are the only insects capable of producing such a unique and loud sound.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Periodical and annual cicadas. Most cicadas are called annual cicadas because they appear as adults every year. Whether the cicada is periodical or annual, the purpose of the emergence is the same: to mate and die.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Cicadas start their lives as eggs. Females lay 200 to 400 eggs in tiny holes that they make in the branches of trees and shrubs. After 6 to 10 weeks, cicada young called nymphs hatch from the eggs and immediately fall to the ground.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.